All right, guys, we're here. First trip of the season to Strawberry Reservoir. We're here to de-winterize the boat, get it in the water. We're also here at the camp for the night, so let's check it out. There he is, showing off the site. We've never stayed in this loop before. This guy doesn't like Triscuit.
My channel.
What's it called?
It's like Austin.
Austin, and guys, if you haven't checked out Austin and SLC before, you gotta check it out. It's awesome. It's my son Austin and his best friend Dummy. You gonna save some of that for me? The great thing about Ginger is she loves to just splash. Alright, we got the boat out of dry storage. Never goes as easy as you plan. Now we get to try and de-winterize it. It can take me half an hour, but you never know what could go wrong. Wow, 8 minutes. Don't pinch yourself. We're done. That's just better. Good thing she does CrossFit. To recover, we're not launching today. In my haste, I swapped the negative and the positive and almost burned the boat down. We had to use the fire extinguisher and put it back in storage. So, faulty wiring, that's right. We're gonna go back to the campsite and just camp. We're gonna do what? Do some biking, do some sitting, drinking. Forget about what just happened. All right, folks, challenge number 2. We're gonna put this tent up. We're gonna try and do it in less than 10 minutes. We've got 2 helpers, son 14, daughter 7. We're gonna see what we can do. We've got the dog tied over there. We've got the boy taking care of the dog. It's windy out, that's the challenge. Let's see how long this takes. All right, that's how you camp, baby.
Yeah, so are you sleeping in here?
No, she's not.
I'm sleeping on there.
No, she's not.
Yeah, but so all this is gonna be going.
Oh, yeah?
Back, so I'm sleeping
That's
there.
cool. That's a great room.
Let's go,
Down on your
guys.
own.
Caitlin gets her boys. Caitlin's idea.
Yeah, this is my idea.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. You know where every weekend. I've got my son, Andrew, my other son, Austin. We were at Lagoon last week.
Go to my channel.
He's always trying to promote his channel. Then we gotta go downhill before we got another hill we gotta climb. Looking forward to it. And hey guys, make sure you check out
Austin and SLC.
All right, guys, fresh off the bike ride now. It's the polar plunge. Water's got to be 50-something degrees. But if she can do it, we can do it, right?
I know.
That wasn't so confident, was it? Me going first, because I'm the bravest.
God, it dropped off so much. Wait.
Caleb, we gotta get back up there. Let's go.
Oh my God. This is so nice now.
That's it? You're not going?
Yeah.
Okay, swimming's done. Back to relaxing. What are you making, bro?
Bro, Andrew.
And when it gets cold, we play
Bye.
Mario. Good thing we got a frontline worker here, guys.
Yeah. If you were on the force shape.
Okay, we made it to the morning. Your laser tag.